Sometimes the simplest food gives the most comfort. Today I am making a homely Mugacho Ros in a coconut gravy, perfect with a plate of rice. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. I washed half cup of moong 3 times with plain water and then soaked overnight. In the morning I rinsed again 3 times with plain water. Next I'll transfer this moong into a pressure cooker. I'm adding water until the level of the water reaches just above the moong. Next, I cover this pressure cooker with the lid and will cook until 6 whistles come. Place a pan on medium flame, add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, 6 cloves, 5 black peppercorns, half inch of cinnamon stick, half Kashmiri chili, 1 button chili, roast for a few minutes and then transfer into a plate. Switch off the flame. Let the roasted ingredients cool completely. In a mixer jar, add half cup of grated coconut, add the roasted ingredients, 1 green chili slit, add water as required, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, few curry leaves, cover the mixer jar and grind. The moong is cooked well. Place a kadai on medium flame and transfer the moong from the pressure cooker into the kadai. Next I am adding the ground masala. Now I am adding water as required. Mix well and let it cook. Next add salt as per your taste, little chopped sugarcane jaggery and mix well. Add half green chili slit, mix well. Once it starts simmering, remove the kadai from the flame. Place a tadka on the flame with oil. Once the oil is heated, add half teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once it starts sputtering, add some curry leaves. Pour it into the kadai. Cover the kadai with the lid. Then remove the lid and place the kadai again on medium flame. Mix well. Let it simmer for 7 minutes. Turn off the flame. And here it is, Mugacho Ros ready to enjoy with hot rice. A comforting Goan curry that feels like home. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. We often make this Mugacho Ros at home, especially on quiet days when we want something simple yet nourishing. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always.